I've been running Android 5.0 Lollipop on my Google Nexus 4 for about a week and a half now. So how has it fared? Let's see in MobileTechnology Reviews full update on Android 5.0 Lollipop on the Google Nexus 4. So yes, I was one of the lucky few who got the over-the-air update to Android 5.0 Lollipop on my Google Nexus 4 very early on. I got it about a week and a half ago, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys about how it has fared in that week and a half. And just to give you guys a short and straight to the point answer, it has not fared well. In fact, this is probably the worst experience I've had with Android ever, and that's saying something. So let me go over some of the things that I've been having problems with this new update to Android. And the first thing is lag. The entire system UI lags a ton. And it's not just occasional lags, it's consistent. Every time I try to open something up, or every time I try to scroll through my home screens, or scroll through the settings, it lags really badly and annoyingly. And it's just something that should not be happening. And Google just really screwed up. Another problem with Android 5.0 on my Nexus 4 is random rebooting. And this, again, doesn't happen occasionally. It happens almost all the time. It's very consistent. So, for example, the other night, I was just, scrolling through my home screens, open up my app drawer, and then boom. All of a sudden, it just decided to randomly reboot. No rhyme or reason, it just did it. And it pissed me off because this thing takes a really long time to start back up, which is another problem with Android 5.0 Lollipop that I've noticed. It takes a lot longer to boot up than it used to on 4.4, which is something that shouldn't have happened. It should have gotten faster. I'm not exactly sure why it is slower now, but it is. Anyways, so yeah, this phone randomly reboots all the time. Sometimes it'll say, the system UI is not responding, do you want to close it? If I hit wait, it usually just reboots. And if I hit OK, the whole phone starts having this weird spasm, and black screens start appearing, and things start flashing around, and it just has this really long, intense spasm, and then it reboots. So really, there's no way to get around it. And it sucks really, really badly. Another problem with the Android 5.0 Lollipop update on the Nexus 4 is the fact that Google Now does not work very much at all. Most of the time, I cannot even get Google Now to even open up. If I hold down on the home button and then drag up, it doesn't even open. It just shows the animation, but the application does not open. And then when it does open, and when I try to reload, it just says that I do not have an internet connection, which in fact I do have an internet connection. So that is a major problem. I have not been able to use Google Now at all since I received the Android 5.0 update, and I use Google Now a lot, so that really pisses me off, to be frankly honest with you. And, of course, there are various other problems. The recent apps, now it's called Overview, takes forever to open up, and when it does, it's laggy, and sometimes the apps just don't even clear, and sometimes there'll just be a random app shown in the overview that I have not opened for years, and it'll just show up there randomly. No rhyme or reason, it just shows up there. And so that's a major problem. And just overall, it's laggy, it reboots, Google Now doesn't work, and it's not very strong performance-wise. It's not a good update performance-wise. As far as visuals and the material design, I think it looks great. I like the new pull-down menu, I like the new settings app, I like all of that. I do not like the performance, and I'm seriously considering flashing Android 4.4 back onto my Nexus 4. That's just how bad this Android 5.0 update is. So, sorry this kind of turned into a rant, but I think you guys need to know that the Android 5.0 update does not run smoothly at all on the Nexus 4. So if you are one of the few who haven't received the over-the-air update to Android 5.0, I would recommend not doing it just yet. Google needs to take some time to fix these problems. They need to release a couple more updates before they, get this operating system right. Now, I was expecting some bugs and some lag because it's a completely new operating system, essentially. It's the biggest update to Android since Ice Cream Sandwich. So I was expecting, some occasional bugs and stuff, but this is it's just going too far. So, thank you very much for watching, and thank you for listening to my ongoing rant. Sorry about that. And stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to check out my website, MobileTechnologyReviews.weebly.com. You can read various device reviews and etc. So head on over there. And also, this video is the first to be recorded on my new camera, the Panasonic Lumix DMC-FZ70. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. I hope it looks and sounds better than my old camera. And yep, thank you very much for watching, and catch you guys next time.